Labumbana ihora lesikhombisa mbukeli thamelana zindaba esikhwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le SABC Auckland Park eGoli. Asikhumbuze mbukeli ukuthi ikhona lezindaba ku YouTube ngena kuyona uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nazi inohlonze kusihlwa nje. Uhulumeni waseGauteng umise izisebenzi ezisishagalolunye zeminyango owezempilo nowezokuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda ngokweNgcobo zeSIU emva kokunindeka ekhishweni ngendlela engafanele kwethenda lokulungisa isibhedlela iAnglo Gold Ashanti. Iphathimandla zezempilo kwaZulu Natal ikhathazekile ngokungabaza okugomela iCovid-19 kwabantu kwezinye ingxenye zesifundazwe. Namhlanje izisebenzi zempilo zivakashele eMnambithi igqugquzela abantu kuba bagome zibazisana ngokuphepha kwemigomo. Kwezemidlalo sikuphathele imiphumela yemidlalo yeNedbank Cup ebidlalwa namuhla. Asibonge mbukeli kuba ingxenye yalezi ndaba. Uhulumeni waseGauteng umise izisebenzi ezimkantshubomvu ezisishagalolunye zeminyango owezempilo nowezokuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda ngokweNgcobo zophiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile SIU emva kokunindeka ekhishweni ngendlela engafanele kwethenda lokulungisa isibhedlela iAnglo Gold Ashanti esentshonalanga yeGoli. Ngozibandlela wanyakenye SIU yaphakamisa ukuthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe uqondisa igwegwe lezoyisebenza ezithintekayo ekhishweni ngendlela engafanele kwethenda lokulungisa lesibhedlela. Lesibhedlela kwabe kungesinye sezibhedlela kwabe kuzolashelwa kuzona abantu abaphethwe iCovid-19. Uqondiswa igwegwe kwalezi zisebenzi kuzoqala uma sekuphothulwe uhlu lwamacala ebhekene nawo.
The SIU has uncovered serious irregularities in the awarding of contractors for the refurbishment of the Anglo Gold Ashanti Hospital in the West Rand. On December 2021, the SIU made referrals to the Gauteng provincial government to institute disciplinary action against the 9 senior managers who were implicated in irregularities in the awarding of contractors for the refurbishment of the Anglo Gold Ashanti Hospital, which was one of the hospitals earmarked for the treatment of COVID-19. The SIU has also made referrals to other state institutions for further investigation into the conduct of implicated government officials and contractors. 3 senior managers in the Department of Health and 6 senior managers in the Department of Infrastructure were served with letters of suspension, and disciplinary proceeding against them will commence as soon as charges are finalized. The Gauteng provincial government commends the work that is done by the SIU in the ongoing investigation and civil action to recover public funds that have been misappropriated.
Iphathimandla zezempilo kwaZulu Natal izwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokungabaza ukugomela iCovid-19 kwabantu kwezinye ingxenye zesifundazwe. Izisebenzi zempilo ivakashile eMnambithi zingena umuzi nomuzi igqugquzela abantu kuba bagome ibazisana ngokuphepha kwemigomo. Ucwaningo luveza ukuthi siphansi isibalo sabantu abagomayo lapha uma kuqhathaniswa nezinye izifunda zesifundazwe.
Isifunda uthukela sihlanganisa indawo isemakhaya kubalwe iBackville, eNdaka, eMtshezi naseMnambithi okuyizindawo ezisilele emuva kakhulu ngemgomo yokuyivikela kwigciwane lecorona. Babalela ukuthi 38% wabangu 500,000 asebegomile kulezi ndawo. Uhulumeni uthi amasiko, inkolo nezinkoleloze ezithi uma ugomile ngeke usabathola abantwana nokuthi umgomo unciphisa umdlandla wocansi kwabesilisa zinqinda abantu kuba bagome. Kepha-ke abanye bathi balindele ulwazi oluthe thuthu ngemigomo.
Noma ngabe kuthiwa udla amaphilisi wozani nizogoma ningezwa ngabantu ningakhohliswa abantu. Ngiyaphinda mina lo mjova ubulalana uyaphilisa uyazizwa uyaphila. Uhulumeni uthi kancane uyenqoba impi yeinkoleloze engenasisekelo.
Abanye bathi uma ngabe ugomile ngeke uphinde uthola abantwana, abanye bathi babona abantu abaningi beshona bacabanga bona ukuthi labo bantu labo babulawe i-vaccination nokunye. So njengoba sihamba ke phakathi kwabo sikwazile ukuyichaza zonke lezo inkinga, sabachazela ukuthi cha umgomo usebenza kanjani, awusebenzi ngalendlela abantu abayisho ngayo kuma social networks, and sibonile ukuthi ngesikhathi sichaza cha bayalalela abantu bayahamba bayogoma.
Kusagoma abacishe babe izigidi ezintathu kwabangu 7.2 wegidi okuhlose ukuba bagonywe. Kusabikwa abangaphezudlwana kwamakhulu amathathu abahaqwa leli gciwane insuku zonke. Ngokunjalo akekho obulawe lolu bhubhane kusukela izolo. Ezindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Izakhamuzi zaseBloemfontein kanye nosomabhizinisi endaweni bakuthakasela ukuthi ke izwe selizophuma esimeni sezenhlekelele. Bathi ke eminyakeni emibili edlule impilo ibinzima kakhulu, abantu belahlekelwa ngabathandiweyo babo kanye nemisebenzi ngenxa ye-COVID-19. Izakhamuzi zithi ke ukubuyisela impilo esimeni esijwayelekile angeke kube lula, kodwa ukuxegisa imithetho kuzoba isinyathelo esihle.
Osomabhizinisi bathi babhekane nobunzima kule minyaka emibili edlule selokhu kwabheduka i-COVID-19.
It was very difficult because we went through a lot. Some of our customers, they left, went home, some they lose their jobs.
I feel so happy because things are going to be back to normal. Because we have lost many of our clients are not coming to cut because they are afraid of this sickness.
Umthetho wezenhlekelele uphinde welula ukugcina kuze kube umhlazi 15 kuNdasam. Izakhamuzi zithi kudala zasilindela lesinqumo.
People have been losing in business and their personal lives as well. So now that actually everything is going to open up, well, we hope things will get back to normal.
If you were to take it to the risk management language, we have accepted the risk. We are willing to live with the risk.
Umengameli uSiril Ramaphosa unxusa abantu bakuleli kuba bagomele i-COVID-19 ukuvikela izwe ekusabalaleni kwalesi sifo.
Siyakwemukela uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uhulumeni waseGauteng kumise izisebenzi ezisishagalolunye zeminyango wezempilo nowezokuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda ngokwezincomo zeSIU emva kokulindeka ekhishweni ngendlela engafanele kwethenda lokulungisa isibhedlela iAnglo Gold Ashanti eWestern. Izakhamuzi zasegodini ezilishumi KwaBhaca Eastern Cape inikeze umasipala wesifunda iAlfred Nzo umnqamlajuqu wokuba uqedele umqamo wamanzi weigidi ephindwe zamarandi uma kungenjalo zobizela enkantolo. Lo mqamo waqalwa ngo-2014 kanti ke wawubonakala engathi uzokuba isisombululo ezinselelweni zamanzi endaweni. Ngapha ke emva kweminyaka eyisishiyagalombili awukaphothulwa nokushiya izakhamuzi ziphuza amanzi angcolisekile eziwakhe emfuleni. Nanku umbiko nofundiswa Mhlekude.
Iphulo elaliza kuzisa amanzi kumawakawaka abahlali. Zintandathu ilali ezaziza ukuxhamla kweliphulo lamanzi. Kodwa nanamhla oku isengumnqanzi ukufumana amanzi.
Ukufika kwabo hayi basibetha ngempiphindiwe. Kuba basithembisa ngexesha elingephi kuququnjelwe wonke umsebenzi wokufakelwa kwalamanzi. Eneneni ke akwenzekanga njalo.
Abahlali bathyola ngelithi bayena kuhulumente wephondo izihlandlo eziliqela kodwa nkqi uncedo notshintsho. Ngoku baxhomekeke kwimithombo yamanzi engakhuselekanga. Bafuna uhulumente agqibezele liphulo ngokukhawuleza.
Eliliwa yenye imilake ladilika kwakuqhunya umsi asikho safe.
Siphila ngolhlobo ke apha ukutya amanzi amdaka. Apha sanzelwa amanzi ngumasipala wase-Alfred Nzo iya kuminyaka elithoba ngoku kungadanga kuphumelele into sidla lamanzi.
Umasipala wesithili sase-Alfred Nzo ugxeka abahlali ngokubambezeleka ekugqityweni kweliphulo.
By the time the scheme was finished waiting to be commissioned, saba ne-problem ye-vandalism, kwebiwa kwe-generators nokwebiwa kwe-pumps. Ayiyonto incinane ke into yokwebiwa kwe-generator nokwebiwa kwe-pumps. So lonto ke umasipala une-pressure into bana athi xa iseke attendile i-village ethile ahamba yosebenza kwenye village.
Ukanti abahlali bona bayazikhanyela ezo zityholo. Bathi babexelelwe ukuba kukunqongophala kwemali okubangela olubambezeleko. Ngoku bathi bafuna ukusumasipala enkundleni ngenxa yalonto. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMandileni KwaBhaca.
Sisekhona eEastern Cape isambozwe namanje umfanekiso ebaziwe yababe ngabaholi beANC. Umengameli oqala weqembu uDokotela uAB Xuma kanye nowayengunobhala jikelele uWalter Sisulu eHeroes Park eNgcobo. Le ndawo yakhe lokuhlonipha amaqhawe ayelwela inkululeko eNgcobo. Le mfanekiso yakhiwa ngonyaka u-2017 kanti le ndawo iHeroes Park ayiphothulwe ukwakhiwa. Manje amaqembu anembuzo ngayo.
Uluhlu lamagama amaqala omzabalazo adweliswe kweli litye. Ekwaphahlwe yimifanekiso eqingqiweyo yamatshantliziyo omzabalazo. Lowo wayesakuba ngumongameli wokuqala wombutho weANC uDr AB Xuma kunye noWalter Sisulu owayengunobhala weANC. bonke bayinzalelwane yaseNgcobo. Yiminyaka engaphayana kwesithandathu lemifanekiso yogqunyiwe.
Sinesivumelwano esinaso kuba kuqala besike safuna uvula ezi statue ngela xesha besiphinda sizobeka amathambo katata uba uAP Xhuma apha kulelali yakumanzane. Kwacaca into yoba ifamily yakwaSisulu kuba yayingazilungiselelanga for umcimbi onjalo.
Imibutho ephikisayo kulomasipala imemelela ukuba ivulwe lemifanekiso khona ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuyibona imbali yabo.
Owethu umbono ke njengabantu abamela abantu siphuma kumbutho weDemocratic Alliance siyayikhuthaza into yoba maside sityhilwe esi statue siyangathi khona into engapha kwaso.
As iATM ngezitatyu ezilapha eNgcobo municipality sithi mazityhilwe so that ifamilies zababantu zibona uba abantu babo ababebhubhe besebenzela umphakathi bayarecognizewa ngurhulumente.
Umasipala uthi ingxoxo zokuba kuvulwe lemifanekiso nokuba kuthintshwe igama lomasipala waseNgcobo ziyaqhuba.
Sesibhalile leta ke sayibhalile inkulu baphathiswa ephondo sicela into yoba asicelele umongameli into yoba azosityhilela ezi statue.
Injongo zokuba kwakhiwe le park yayikuqinisekisa ukuba abantu bayafunda ngembali yabo. Kwakhiwe nezindlu zokulalisa abantu, kukhule uqoqosho, abantu baphangele. Kwindaba zeSABC, Natasha Maqhuntulu, eNgcobo.
Namhlanje bekubungazwa usuku lomsakazo emhlabeni World Radio Day. Isiqubulo sakulonyaka sithi Radio and Trust. Ngalolu suku kubungazwa ubumqoka bomsakazo njengezinye zezinto zezokuxhumana. Lolu suku lasungulwa iUnited Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, iUNESCO ngenhloso yokulondoloza igalelo lomsakazo ebantwini.
Ukubungaza lolu suku iziteshi ezingaphansi kweSABC eLimpopo ezisakaza ngolwimi isiVenda, iSonga kanye neSpedi zinqume ukusakaza kanye uhlelo olulodwa namhlanje kusukela ngehora le-11 ekseni. Lolu hlelo belisakazwa yimisakazo iThobela FM, iMungana Lonene FM kanye nePhalaphala FM. Ludidiyelwe abafundi abenza izifundo zokusakaza eNyuvesi yaseVenda eThohoyandou. Zontathu lezi teshi zikwazile ukuthola abalaleli abayizigidi ezinhlanu. Abafundi bathi lokhu kuvuselele intshisekelo yabo yezokusakaza.
I am really inspired and I'm really happy to be here today. Radio means a lot to me because as a student, it's the only means of information, source of information, because we don't have TVs, so we use radio to get information.
iSABC ithi iyazigqaja kakhulu ngalokhu kuqhakambisa ubumbano.
Look, it's a break moment for us. I mean, if you look at radio, the past couple of years, 50, 60 years back, if you look at the history of these radio stations, this is something that we could not do. So we're trying to sort of show that while we celebrate radio, there are a number of things that we do in the SABC.
Nase-Northern Cape bekubungazwa usuku lomsakazo. Inhloso yomsakazo iXKFM ukulondoloza ulwimi iqungu kanye nesiko ikhwe. Izakhamuzi ezakhele ePlansfontein eKimberley zincike kakhulu kulomsakazo ukuze zithole izindaba njengoba bebancane abantu abakhuluma ulwimi lwazo.
Most of the people in Plansfontein, they don't have television. And radio is the platform that brings all the news that are going on on a daily basis.
Ngalo lolu suku lomsakazo isiteshi somsakazelo womphakathi iRSG nongesikhulukazi esisakaza ngolwimi lwesibhunu besibungaza iminyaka engama-95 sasungulwa. Kusenjalo isikhungo iMedia and Development Agency sithi isinqumo sesikhungo sezokuxhumana iICASA sokhipha ezinye izincwadi ezigunyaza imisakazo yomphakathi sizokhinyabeza izinhlelo zaso zokuxhasa ngemali lemsakazo yomphakathi.
It does impact on how many how many radio stations, how many television stations, how many community and small commercial print we can fund and sustain.
Njengamanje iICASA ivule isikhathi sokufaka izicelo zezincwadi zokusakazela umphakathi ama-license.
somebody who wants to apply for registration, there must have been an NPO that has been operating for at least 2 years before they apply for the license or they register in terms of this pre-registration process.
Ngokocwaningo olwenziwe umsakazo iwona olalelwa kakhulu ukwedlula wonke amaziko ezindaba emhlabeni jikelele.
Abazali babafundi abangaphezulu kwamakhulu ayisishiyagalolunye esikoleni iNgcobo ngolwazi eMorgan's eMpumalanga bakumisense ukusebenza ukufunda kulesikole. Bathi ingqalasizinda yesikole ingozi kubafundi. Kubika ukuthi ke kunesamba semali ezigidi ezine zamarandi eyabekele eceleni ukulungisa lesikole kodwa ke namanje akenziwa lutho.
Asahluthulelwe namanje amasango esikoleni iNgcobo ngolwazi secondary. Lesikole sinesakhiwo esidala kakhulu sibonakala siyingozi kubafundi kanye nothisha. Ukuvuza kophahla kanye nezindongo eziqhekekile ngezinye zezinto ezibakhathazayo abazali kanye nothisha. Kunokwesabela ukuthi lesi sakhiwo singawa noma yinini.
The parents agreed with us that the school is in danger for their children. Then the school is closed. There are no learners. Then we decided to close the school for the 2 weeks.
I-Democratic Alliance eMpumalanga ithi kunezigidi ezine zamarandi ezabekelwe eceleni ukuze lesikole sakhiwe kabusha.
Jane Sithole, whom is the spokesperson on education, did a research and find out that there's a 4 million that was set aside by the department to renovate INgcobo ngolwazi secondary school at this current financial year.
Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni uthi uyazazi lezi ngqinamba ezibhekene nesikole.
We have since sent technical engineers to conduct an assessment, of which upon receipt of their report, the department communicated with Public Works to begin with the process of appointing a contractor to rehabilitate the school in the 2022-2023 financial year.
Abazali sebenike umnyango wezemfundo amasonto amabili ukuba ulungise lolu daba.
Sibuyele Eastern Cape lapho sithola khona udaba oluthile yadlondlobala uhlelo lokugibela amabhayisikili okubandakanya izingane eNew Brighton nakwazakhele eGqeberha.
Eliphulo lebhayisikile lijolise ekukhupheni abantwana ezitalatweni nokuhlisa iqondo lwaphulo mthetho. Eliphulo liza neziphumo ezincumisayo kule lokisha seNew Brighton. Inkampani zabucala ezifana neJama Tours theza yona imizamo neqela lebhayisikile isiyanqoba cycling club zifaka isandla kweliphulo. Bangaphaya kwamashumi amahlanu abakhweli bebhayisikile abathatha inxaxheba kweliphulo. Kwaye elinani liyakhula mihla le.
Now, through the love of a bicycle, the local teams, so that we can give them into within the day, which is cycling. That what most I enjoy myself. Even if guests, they can be part of the talk group that I'm taking.
Izolo oku bekukhalwa ngeziyobisi, izolo oku bekukhalwa ngotywala. Now sithi ke ngoku masibe sonke kulento ukwenzela into bana ingafi kuba yethu and ke ngaphezulu ke sithi umanyano ngamandla. Nangoku ubonile into yoba abantwana kuba bendibona ndilapha bayavuya noko ubona ixhego lihamba nabo.
Abanye babantwana bafuna ukudlulela kwinqanaba eliphezulu kulomdlalo.
I turn the cycling because abantwana basestratweni iyabagcina bangabi sestratweni bagilwe izimoto.
Cycling is-sport endisikhethileyo kuba nasithanda and sizakhupha echayeni nochayi drugs.
Eliphulo liza kunabela nakwezinye ingingqi kulo mmandla weNelson Mandela Bay. Ndinguzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni.
Reynard Janse van Rensburg wasepitoli unqobe umjaho wabesilisa webanga lika 169 kilometers we-South African National Road and Time Trial Championship obuseGrascope eMpumalanga. Kwathi uFrancis Janse van Rensburg waKwaZulu Natal yena wanqoba owabesifazane izolo.
Bekulinzeleke ulukhulu ke langeni lekugcina lemjaho iNational Road Championship. Bekungumashiwa eGod's Window lapho betibambene khona ngetihlupho. Janse van Rensburg nanobe nje bekahlushwa uqiniseka umsipha nguye lobashiye bonke ke kulomjaho washaya inzambo kuqala.
I'm very happy to win. It was a goal ever since the end of last year. I didn't get a professional contract again, so this kept me motivated over the past few months and almost dropped me with 2 laps to go. I was cramping all the last 60 kilometers, so yeah, very happy to finish it off in a sprint here.
Bagqugquzeli ke balomjaho bajabule ngendlela lesimanga.
We had an excellent weather over the last 4 days. Most of the time, no wind at all, sunshine, a little bit of heat, but not extremely heat. And the racing was awesome over the last 4 days.
Singakujabulela ukuya phambili ukuthi sibone i-development yenzeka ekolweni, enzeka kuma-deep rural areas, sibone i-development yama-young black, ama-cyclists, also akhula azozibonakalisa kule mcimbi efana nale.
Hayi-ke sesifike emaphethelweni emjaho lomkhulu wamabhayisikili la Raskop eMpumalanga. Ucale ngelesine nge-time trial kanjalo nangalesihlanu kwachubeka yona i-time trial. Kwathi-ke ngemgcibelo sawubona umjaho walabasikade emgwaqweni. Ngelisonto kwavala labadvuna kuwo umjaho wemabhayisikili. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu, nginemlingani wami nguThabo wakamtsweni etindzabeni ye-SABC sibika sise-Raskop eMpumalanga.
Mbukeli usale kahle.